good morning. Coming to our next class. Today our maths class. Okay children, see exercise 3.5 sixth word problem children here. The male population of a state. The male population of a state how many? See here 7 crore 56 lakh 27,986. So male population is in this number. So here given the female population is 1 crore 56 lakh 7,389 less than the male population. So not given the female population. We will find out female population. Okay. Here given this number is female population is less than this number only. So perfectly what is the population of female? Now we will find out. Okay children. So right here now. Number of male population of a state. See right here 7 crore 56 lakh 27,986. This is the male population, perfectly male population. But female population find out. What is that? Female population is this number less than the male population. So right here number of female population is less than the number of male population. Number of female population is less than the number of male population. What is the number given here? 1 crore 56 lakh 7,389. Now we will find out what is the female population. Right here. What is the female population? We will find out here children. So right here number of female population is equals to number of male population minus number of female population is less than the number of male population. You do the subtraction here. What is the female population? We will find out. Okay, first you write the number is number of male population 7 crore 56 lakh 27,986 minus what is the less than the population number is 1 crore 56 lakh 7,389. Now you do the subtraction here children. I erase the question. So you do the subtraction in your notebooks right hand side. Rough place is there children. So you do the subtraction that place. 7 crore 56 lakh 27,986 minus 1 crore 56 lakh 7,389. So you do the subtraction here first. 6 minus 9 possible children? No. So this 60 is taking the borrowing from 8 one number. That one means 10. 10 plus 6 16. 9 after becomes 16. 9 after 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 7 fingers are open. So right here 7. This 8 already give one number borrowing. So remaining 7. 7 minus 8 possible children? No. So this 7 is taken Right here 9. 8 minus 3. Take 8 fingers, close 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3, close. Remaining 5. So 5. Put the comma. 7 minus 7 children. Take 7, close 7. 0. 0 is separated from any number, becomes the same number. 2. 6 minus 6. 0. 5 minus 5. 0. Take 7 fingers, close 1 finger, remaining 6. So 6 crores 20,597 is the answer here. So number of female population is 6 crores. Number of female population 6 crores 20,597. So here write last in conclusion. Six crore 20,597 is female population. He asked what is the female population. So you write 6 crore 20,597 is the female population. Okay children, this step after you write this step. Okay, this one after you write this one. And you do the subtraction also in your notebooks. Right hand side dot place is there. You do that subtraction on that place. First given number of male population of your state and number of female population is less than the number of male population is given number, and you do the what is the female population you find out. So number of female population is male population minus less than the male population. You do the subtraction. 6 crore to 20,597 is the answer. So that is the female population. 6 crore 20,597 is the female population. Okay. This step after you write this step. Okay children. Note this. Answer in your notebooks. Question in your textbooks children. See and write in your textbooks. After that you do the answer. Okay children. Next see our word problem. The price of an apartment. You know the apartment children. So that apartment cost is 3 crores 50 lakhs 20,000. Okay. A man has 82,32,749 rupees he had. Okay. So remaining how much more money does he need to buy the apartment? So here 3 crores but here only 82 lakhs. So remaining how many he has more money children? So much of money you do find out that now. So right here the cost of an apartment. The cost of an apartment is how much? 3 crore 50 lakh 20,000 rupees. Okay. The amount of money he needs. He had amount of money. How much children? 82,32,749. So that is only lakh 10 lakh number children. You start with the answer 10 lakh place. 82,32,749. Okay. Now we find out how much more money does he need to buy the apartment. So right here, how much more money does he need to buy the apartment? This is the question. Now we find out. Right here, he needs more money Now erase the question, children. Don't have that displays here. Okay, children. Now he needs more money. You find out that given number minus he had money. Now you do the subtraction. Very carefully do that subtraction, children. So many of zeros are there. And second number is 82 lakhs 32,749. Do the subtraction here. 0 minus 9 not possible. And taking the borrowing also not possible. So remind last 0 is here. Fourth place. So this 0 is taking the borrowing from 2. One number. That one means 10. 10 plus 0, 10. This 2 already give one number borrowing. So remaining 1 is there. Now this third 0 is taking the borrowing from 10. One number. That one means 10. 10 plus 0, 10. Now this 10 give one number borrowing to this 0. Remaining 9. Now second 0 taking the borrowing from this 10. One number. That one means 10. 10 plus 0, 10. Now this 10 is give one number borrowing to this 0. Remaining 9. Now first 0 taking the borrowing from this 10. Converted to 10. Now this 10 give one number borrowing, so remaining 9. Okay, children. Now take 9 fingers, close 9 fingers. 5, 4. Remaining 1. Take 9 fingers, close 4 fingers. Remaining 5. Take 9 fingers, close 7 fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7. Remaining 2. Take 9 fingers, close 2 fingers. Remaining 7. 1 minus 3 possible, children? No. So this one taking the borrowing also possible? No. So this 0 first taking the borrowing from 5. One number. That one means 10. 10 plus 0, 10. Now this one taking the borrowing from 10. Converted to 11. Now this 10 give one number borrowing to this 11. Remaining 9. 5 already give one number borrowing to this 0. Remaining 4. Now 3 after becomes 11. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8 fingers are open. So write here 8. Take 9 fingers, close 2 fingers. Remaining 7. 4 minus 8 possible? No. This 4 is taking the borrowing from 3. One number. That one means 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 3 already give one number borrowing to 4. Remaining 2. So 8 after becomes 14. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6 fingers are open. So write here 6 and remaining write this 2 directly. Okay, children. First 0 is taking the borrowing. After this one also taking the borrowing. Becomes the answer is 2,67,251. So he needs more money is equals to 2,67,87,251 rupees. Mention the rupees also, children. Now you write lastly conclusion is how much more money does he need to buy the apartment? How much more money, children? 2,67,87,251 rupees. More money does he need to buy the apartment? Now this is the answer, children. First you write the cost of an apartment and the amount of money he had. Now we'll find out how much more money does he need to buy the apartment. So he needs more money. First total apartment price minus he had money. You do the subtraction. So he needs more money 2,67,87,251. So last writing conclusion this amount rupees more money does he need to buy the apartment. Note this some answer in your notebooks, children. See in your textbook, write the question and note the answer. This step after you write this step. Okay, children.